Stretchy Yogi babes, welcome. I am Action Jacqueline and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be an amazing full body stretch that you can do first thing in the morning or just even throughout your day to break up your day. All right, so you don't need any equipment at all. It's going to feel absolutely amazing and you're going to feel so motivated to do this every single day. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin with a nice little neck stretch here. So you can come up onto your knees, or if that's uncomfortable, you could always put a bolster here underneath your hips. So we're gonna take a nice little easy neck stretch here. Take a nice big deep breath in, exhale, inhale, and exhale, beautiful. And let's take it over to the other side. And there's something so powerful about starting your day with movement, connecting mind, heart, and body all together in alignment. Many times we feel pain and stress and incongruency because our mind and body are going in different directions. And so this is a great way to integrate everything together so that you're fully aligned and ready for your day. We'll go ahead and do a few neck circles here. Feeling present, alive, and so grateful for the day ahead of you. So much opportunity is available to you. And we get to just be so grateful for this moment, and we get to enjoy our bodies and this peaceful moment that we have right here, right now. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to turn over, hands underneath shoulders, and let's do a few cat-cows. I love this one to wake up the spine. Exhale, beautiful. Inhale in and exhale, push the floor away. Inhale in, exhale. So simple yet so effective. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. We're gonna reach our left foot forward, so now it's by our hand, and we're going to do a few little rocks here. So you're going to rock forward into the hip, and we're going to rock back, so now you feel a nice hamstring stretch. Moving gently within your range of motion, never pushing, never forcing, but instead breathing through each movement here. Listening to your body. Just noticing what it feels like today in your body, not comparing to even how you felt yesterday, because every day is a new chance, a new day. Good. And let's hold here in this hamstring stretch for just a few moments. Take a big deep breath in and exhale. Good. We're going to slide the leg to the side now. This is one of my most favorite stretches, and we're going to feel the inner thigh stretch out as we push those hips back and in. This is also creating somewhat of an internal rotation of the hip, so we're getting a great hip stretch here. Good. So it's good to exhale as you come down, inhale as you come up, exhale, and inhale. Great. Let's go to the other side. So place that foot right by your foot, or right by your hand, and we're going to just let the hips rock forward, let the hips rock back. And so I'm flexing my foot as I come back to get a nice hamstring stretch there. Good. Reach forward and reach back. You can even do this whole practice with your eyes closed to even feel deeper within your body. You can just listen to my voice. Good. Feeling the whole body waking up, feeling so grateful for being alive today, for being in your beautiful body. There's so much to be grateful for every single day. Good. Let's hold this back here. And when you breathe in, imagine the spine getting longer with each and every breath. Inhale in and exhale. Good. Let's slide that foot back. Tuck those toes underneath you, so behind you. Good. We're going to rock back open up the hips, slight little internal rotation there with the foot on the floor, and rock it back. So we're opening up our hips, opening up our spine, our groin. Great. And back. Inhale in and exhale. Great job. Let's come back to all fours, and then we're going to tuck the toes under, and let's carefully come back into a downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal out the feet. This might be your first downward dog of the day, and so welcome it with open arms, feeling the stretch happening through every part of your body. Really, downward dog stretches so many different places. Good. Like your calves, underneath your feet, your hamstrings, your low back. So many good places. All right. So we're going to roll forward, high plank pose. Right away, we're going to lower down onto our bellies. Great. Now we're going to slide the elbows back. Inhale in. Exhale. Place the hands back down on the ground. And then tuck the toes under, back to downward facing dog. Again, lift up high onto the toes, roll forward, lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Bring the hands up, look up, make sure that the shoulders are drawing down the back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Exhale, lower down, tuck the toes under, and make your way back to downward facing dog. A few more times just like that. This is an amazing way to warm up the body. Really connect with everything going on. Connect with the earth. Inhale, exhale. Because when you're connected, you feel stronger. You feel more confident throughout your whole day. Good. 2 more times. Roll through. Lower down. Inhale in. Exhale. Tuck the toes under. And all the way back. Last time. Lift up high onto the toes, roll forward, lower down carefully, inhale in, and exhale. Press all the way back up, downward facing dog. Beautiful. We're gonna lift the right leg up, bend the knee, open up the hip. Whew, feels really good. Nice, getting a little thoracic spine twist here, feeling the hip flexors stretch. Push the floor away, keep those shoulders strong. Beautiful. Bring that knee in towards your face and then step it through in between the hands. Keep the back knee high. We're gonna lift the right arm up towards the sky, and we're gonna take a few circles, reaching forward and around, forward and around. One more time, forward and around. Beautiful. Place that hand down onto the floor. And we're going to lift ourselves all the way up. So you're just going to kind of slide that back foot forward. Nice work. All right. Holding it here in our pyramid pose. So you can take it here, or if you want to take it up a notch, you can take those hands behind your head and add a shoulder stretch. Breathing, finding balance between the 2 legs, pulling up on the quads to strengthen the front of the thighs, and to also support the stretch of the back of the thighs. Beautiful. Release the hands down, step the foot back. So you can take a vinyasa here, or you can take it really gently on your knees. So let's do the first one on our knees. Lower down, similar to what we did before. Little baby cobra pose. Lower down, and then back all the way to downward facing dog. Lift the left leg up. Inhale in. Bend the knee, open up the hip. Beautiful. Feels so good. Waking up your body, appreciating everything that your body has to offer you in this day. Step the foot. Nice, coming up into a high lunge. Inhale, reach the arm up. And we're gonna take 3 circles. And around. Reach. So we're stretching out our shoulder. We're doing these nice shoulder rotations. And we're stretching out our spine, our hips, a totally full body, right? Nice. All right, place the hand down, and we're going to carefully kind of scooch that back foot up. Come into a pyramid pose to continue opening up the hamstrings and even the feet and calves here. You can stay here. If you'd like to add on, you can grab the hands behind, add a shoulder stretch, bring the head down towards the leg. Relax here into the stretch, feeling completely invigorated by just a few minutes of movement, and you realize how powerful your practice can be. And when you realize your practice is so powerful, it motivates you to come back to your mat every single day. Nice. All right, let's step it back. Take one more vinyasa flow. All the way down and upward facing dog and back to downward facing dog. Beautiful. Let's walk our feet all the way up to the top of the mat. Nice. And let's take an inhale in, reach the crown of the head up and reach the crown of the head down. Inhale in and exhale. Last time. Inhale, stand all the way up to the top of the mat. Palms come to heart center. Bow your head down towards your heart as a symbol of gratitude to your beautiful body, always appreciating your amazing, beautiful body. Namaste. All right, my stretchy babes, you are ready for your day now. Hope you loved this full body morning stretch. Go ahead and let me know which move was your favorite in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not yet, so that you can stay accountable and know when my next video comes out, because I release a new video every single week. It was such a beautiful practice, and I'm so glad I got to share my morning with you and you shared your morning with me. All right, see you next time. Bye.